Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 17. When x is 1, 2, 3, or 4, the expressions x squared plus x plus 17 has the values 19, 23, 29, and 37, respectively. All of these results are prime numbers. What is the least positive integer that will not yield a prime in the formula? So we know that the prime number is all number which can only divide by itself and 1 without remainder. And the smaller prime number is 2. Then 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and so on. So, in these questions, we have to group the first two terms, x squared and x, together to form x times x plus 1 plus 17. And this sum, when you plug in a number, if it only divides by itself and 1, that's the prime number. Okay, so we can try 8. We plug it in here, 8. Okay, so we have 5 times 5 plus 1 plus 17. Well, 5 plus 1 is 6, 30, 47. Okay. And this is the prime number. Okay, we do B is 7, 7 plus 1, 17. And then C, we have 11, 11 plus 1 plus 17. And D, we have 13. And then E, we noted that all of this doesn't form any common factor with 17 except for E. This one is 17, and we can write that as 17 times 16 plus 1. So that's the same thing as 17 times 17. So A through A, B, C, and D will form a prime because the sum of that will form a number only can divide by itself and 1 with that remainder. But E, the number you have is 17 square. That was a number can divide by 17 itself is 17 square, can divide also 17 and 1. So that number is not prime. So 17 square is not prime. So E will be the right answer. More clearly, 17 times 17 is 289. Okay, so 17 square is 289. It's not prime number. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.